Join Kids Hut family. Diya and TOFU's Diwali Celebrations, Episode 2. Hi there everyone. Today we're taking you on a wonderful journey into our Diwali celebrations. That's right. Get ready to join our family as we light up our home with joy. You look so handsome, Tofu. Thank you, Diya. And you look gorgeous. Let's go. The fun begins. Yay! I am so excited. We're setting up rangoli patterns and vibrant decorations to make our home look extra festive and welcoming.
And we're stringing up twinkling lights all around the house, making it feel magical.
As a family, we're making mouth-watering sweets like laddus and barfis and sharing stories and laughter along the way. I'm taking the opportunity to tell Tofu and Diya about the significance of Diwali and how it brings families closer. And we will also perform Diwali Puja in our temple. And then comes the best part. We burst crackers and watch the night sky light up with beautiful fireworks. Look at that one, Diya. Wow! Hey little friends, while we enjoy Diwali, it's important to remember to stay safe.
Absolutely. Always make sure to follow safety rules when using fireworks. Safety comes first.
Remember, bursting crackers has a bad impact on our surroundings too. Firecrackers release harmful chemicals into the air, which can harm our environment and affect our health. And the noise pollution from loud crackers can be uncomfortable for pets and some people too. Grandma, what can we do instead of bursting crackers? There are so many wonderful alternatives that are just as fun. We can light more diyas, create beautiful rangoli patterns, share delicious sweets with friends and neighbors, and even enjoy music and dance with our family. That's a great idea, Grandma.
So kids, while Diwali is a time for joy and celebration, let's also make sure that we take care of our environment and our loved ones.
That's right. Let's celebrate Diwali with love, happiness, and responsibility. Remember, kids, Diwali is about spreading light, love, and happiness while being mindful of our surroundings.
Happy Diwali! Stay safe and enjoy!
For your favorite rhymes, stories, and more, join Kids Hut family. Subscribe here.